This is generator 3 of that Hall of 3 generator series, the matching Troybilt to the first one I took apart. And I'm going to do this one really quick because I'm kind of sick at looking at generators, for one thing. And two, we already know the engine's pooched on the other one. I have it disassembled in buckets. I really don't need two of these disassembled in buckets. So my thinking is I will pull the recoil off, see if I can free it up by turning it counterclockwise. If that doesn't work, I'll pull the head off to see what there is to see up there. But if any attempt to free this up doesn't work, then I'm just going to call it good right there until I get some engines to put on these generators. So I'll get started on that. Alright, I'll dig up some sockets and bring you back. Okay, here we go. Some juice in the hole. Let's see if I can break the connecting rod like I did in that vintage Briggs. That's okay. I have a reputation to uphold. Oh, that was too easy. Does that mean one of these is actually salvageable? Of course, that means I started with the worst one, if that's the case. No, there's nothing. I wonder if the piston's even moving. Not at all. Well, that makes this a really short video. So I will just put this thing away until or if I can find a replacement motor for it. So that's the end of this series, and thanks for watching. I suppose there's two disappointing things about this. One, I didn't get to break the connecting rods. They came to me that way. If they're going to be broken, I might as well have fun, right? Two, those of you that work on stuff, and if you hadn't watched this video, and you came across these two generators, and somebody told you to guess which one of them was functional, what would you pick? Yeah, me too.